Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, check your phone, and see a message from your boss. Thanks for your service, but we've decided to go with an AI assistant instead. Sound impossible? Well, Goldman Sachs just predicted that 300 million jobs worldwide are about to vanish. And here's the kicker. The wealthy elite saw this coming years ago and have been quietly positioning themselves to profit from the chaos while everyone else scrambles for the scraps. Welcome to Wealth Sentry, where we unlock hidden secrets to wealth and success. Let me ask you something that might keep you up tonight. What if I told you that the same AI revolution that's about to destroy millions of jobs is simultaneously creating the greatest wealth transfer opportunity in human history? While the media focuses on the doom and gloom, the ultra-wealthy are using this exact same disruption to multiply their fortunes. Here's what they don't want you to know. The three-layer wealth strategy. The rich operate on a completely different playbook when it comes to AI disruption. They're not panicking about losing their jobs. They're excited about owning the machines that replace them. Let me break down their secret three-layer strategy. Layer 1, the ownership shift. While everyone's worried about AI taking their customer service job, billionaires are buying shares in the companies building these AI systems. Think about it. When a fast food chain replaces 10 cashiers with one AI kiosk, who benefits? The shareholders, not the workers. Here's a real example. A major retail chain just announced they're replacing 80% of their customer support staff with AI chatbots. Their stock price jumped 15% the next day. The employees got severance packages. The shareholders got richer. Which side of that equation do you want to be on? This is what the wealthy call riding the wave instead of fighting it. They understand that technological disruption doesn't destroy wealth, it redistributes it. And they position themselves to be on the receiving end. Layer 2, the skill arbitrage game. Here's where it gets interesting. The wealthy aren't just buying AI stocks, they're identifying the exact skills that AI can't replace and monopolizing them. They're paying top dollar to learn what I call AI-proof skills, while everyone else is still trying to compete with robots. What are these skills? 3 categories dominate: human connection, creative problem-solving, and strategic thinking. But here's the twist. The wealthy aren't just learning these skills. They're creating businesses around them. Let me paint a picture. While a junior lawyer worries about AI replacing legal research, a wealthy entrepreneur starts a law firm that uses AI to handle the research, then hires humans only for high-level strategy and client relationships. Same industry, completely different approach. One person fears replacement, the other builds an empire. Layer 3, the ecosystem play. This is the most sophisticated strategy, and it's pure genius. The ultra-wealthy don't just invest in AI companies, they invest in everything that supports the AI economy. Think data centers, cloud computing, specialized chips, even the coffee shops near AI company headquarters. It's like this. When everyone rushed to California during the gold rush, who made the most money? Not the miners, the people selling shovels, jeans, and supplies. The wealthy apply this same thinking to AI. They're not trying to build the next ChatGPT. They're investing in the infrastructure that makes ChatGPT possible. The student debt time bomb. Now, let's talk about something that's about to explode: student debt. Millions of recent graduates borrowed money to study for jobs that AI is now eliminating. Marketing assistants, junior analysts, entry-level accountants, all being replaced by software that costs $20 a month. But here's what the wealthy figured out. This creates a massive opportunity. As traditional career paths disappear, people become desperate for alternatives. And desperate people make great customers for education, coaching, and business opportunities. Smart money is already flowing into companies that teach AI-resistant skills, online education platforms, and alternative career path programs. While everyone's panicking about student loan defaults, the elite are building businesses to solve that exact problem and profit from it. The real wealth secret. Here's the secret sauce that separates the wealthy from everyone else during disruption. They think in systems, not jobs. While most people ask, how do I keep my job? The wealthy ask, how do I own the system that creates jobs? Let me give you a concrete example. A wealthy investor doesn't worry about AI replacing radiologists. Instead, they invest in AI radiology companies, medical equipment manufacturers, and healthcare real estate. When the disruption happens, they profit from every angle. This is what I call disruption arbitrage, making money from the chaos itself, not despite it. The action plan. So what can you do right now? First, stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. Every AI tool that threatens a job category is also a business opportunity waiting to be seized. Second, start building what I call human premium skills, abilities that become more valuable as AI handles the basic work. Negotiation, storytelling, relationship building, creative problem solving. These aren't just nice-to-have skills anymore, they're your economic survival toolkit. Third, look for the shovel opportunities in your industry. If AI is disrupting accounting, what do AI accounting firms need? Training, compliance, customer acquisition, specialized software integration. There's your business opportunity. The mindset revolution. The biggest difference between the wealthy and everyone else isn't money, it's mindset. While most people see AI as a threat, the wealthy see it as the greatest leverage tool ever invented. They're not competing with AI, they're partnering with it. Think about it. AI can handle the repetitive work, freeing humans to focus on high-value activities. But only if you position yourself correctly. The wealthy get this. They're not trying to outwork AI, they're trying to outthink it. Here's my challenge for you. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? Start asking, how can I use AI to create wealth? Because while everyone else is playing defense, the greatest fortunes are being built by those playing offense. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. The question isn't whether it will disrupt your industry, but whether you'll be on the side that profits from that disruption or suffers from it. So let me ask you this. What's one AI tool you could start using today to either improve your current work or build a side business? And what's one human premium skill you could develop that would make you more valuable as AI handles the routine tasks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your strategy for turning this disruption into opportunity. And if this opened your eyes to how the wealthy really think about technological change, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Remember, in the game of wealth building, information isn't just power, it's profit. Until next time, keep building that wealth mindset.